Hello everyone and welcome to the Colors Kingdom channel. Today we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig playing with the rooster. Let's start drawing. Let's draw the rooster. I draw his eye, the shape of his body. I draw his beak, his crest, his wing, I draw his paws and his tail. Let's draw George Pig. I draw his nose, his eyes, and the shape of his head. He is so happy! His cheek and his two ears. I draw his body, arms, and legs. And finally, his tail. Now let's draw Peppa Pig. I draw her nose, her eyes, and the shape of her head, her smiling mouth, her cheek, and her two ears. I draw her body, her arms, legs, her tail. I'm going to draw this line for the background. I draw a circle for the sun. And now, let's make this beautiful drawing more visible. Excellent! Let's start coloring. Yellow, red, I use this brown color for the body and the tail, and dark red. Let's color George Pig. I color his skin with this pink marker. Red, purple for his cheek, I color his dress blue. Now let's color Peppa Pig. Pink, purple, I color her dress with the red. Yellow, I use this light green for the grass on the floor. Light blue. Good job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.